Alright, so we're going to be getting rid of these bubble lights to actually put on some OEM ones. They're still smoked out, but these bubble ones gotta go. They're kind of faded. They just give a janky look. Yeah, they have their time. Alright, so after you remove the 10mm bolts from right here, as you can see, it's pretty chewed up on my end. But next you want to remove this covering from right here. Mine is held down with just a screwdriver, so we're going to use that. There's also a clip holding this in. And from here it looks like you're going to be met 2 more 10mm bolts. Take those off and the light should be able to be free. Alright, so when you get to the back of the light, what you mainly want to focus on is my wires have a whole bunch like going on. Yours won't. It's these main ones, the thick harness, the little dusty ones, not the clean oily looking wires. So the big dusty ones. And you want to unplug those and one back here in the corner, and then from there it should be good. And boom. So you guys probably aren't pulling the lights out like mine that have a whole bunch going on, but you should just be left with these 3. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other side and get the new one. So I'm going to show you the new one. Alright, so here's the new ones. They just have a plastic wrap on them. Some of you guys' clips might not come off that easy, so be careful. These things are cool. That can actually rub off, so maybe this thing's a wipe down. Okay, if your truck's anything like mine, you'll have to remove this extra piece right here. And because everything's so brittle, it was hard to get out. Everything was cracking around it, but we got it off. So let's fit these new ones off. Alright, I'm gonna test the lights real quick. Hi, man. Alright, so we're just going to reverse the process of putting them back on after you make sure everything works. trim piece back on. Alright, so boom. Much cleaner stock look. Just gotta do some paint. Paint the screw on the bumper. The guys who did the engine have their hands all over it. I don't know, but yeah, now we just gotta do some paint stuff. I never paint the side of the truck. We'll clear coated it. Two things. The light's been rubbing up against here, so we reinstall that light, but we're for sure gonna hit all this body work first. But yeah, appreciate you guys checking out the video. Hope you learned something from installing lights on the F150 04 to 08. Should be the same thing from 09 to 14. Alright, peace.